Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys hopefully a couple ways to speed up your boot time on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu and you want to type in msconfig. Best match should say system configuration right above desktop app. Left click on that. And now you want to go and left click on the startup tab at the top. And then click on this Open Task Manager button right here. Now there'll be a list of different programs in here. You're more than welcome to disable any programs listed in here. For the most part, they're not critical, unless of course it's an antivirus, which I'd recommend leaving alone. And you can also see its measured startup impact on the side here. So if you see any listed in here, let's say for example the Microsoft OneDrive says enabled, you can click on this disable button right here and it will change the status to disabled. If you ever wanted to re-enable it later, you can click on enable here. But anything like programs or specifically printers, you probably don't need them to start up when your computer starts up. And also depending on how many programs you have installed, this could be a very long list here. So keep that in mind, it's a nice little trick to know about. I'd also recommend going into the start menu again and typing in programs. Best match should say add or remove programs. Left click on that. And now there'll be a list on the right side here that will give you a list of all the different programs that are installed. All you have to do to uninstall a program is just left click on it and then uninstall. That might be able to speed up your computer a little bit once your computer's gotten up and running. And if you notice any programs running down in your system tray by left clicking the little upward facing arrow down here, if you notice any programs in particular and then they're also installed as programs, and you don't use those programs any longer, I'd recommend uninstalling them because obviously they're running with your computer even though you might have not initiated the process. And you're more than welcome to Google any specific programs or applications if you're unsure if they're necessary or not. More than likely somebody has had that same question before with any magnitude of different programs that could be possibly installed on your computer. So keep that in mind, that's a nice little trick as well. Another way would be to go over to the start menu and type in power options. Best match should say power and sleep settings. If you left click on that, and then you left click on additional power settings underneath related settings down here, I recommend showing advanced power settings here, or additional plans which would select high performance, which will favor performance but may use more energy. Now it might make a slight difference and I've noticed it in the past personally. Some people will disagree about that, but I believe high performance, if your computer is capable, you should select that. And once you've selected that, you can close out of the control panel, close out of any windows you have, and I recommend restarting your device, and hopefully your computer should start up a little bit quicker. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.